waited for you, Lord, in my fear. You bent down low and drew me near. You pulled me out of all my wrong, set me on rock, gave me this song. Ashamed and worn, I lost my way, but mercy found me in my pain. Now I lift my eyes, I see your light, faithful God, you lead me right. You are my rescue, Lord, my shelter and my song. You pulled me from the deep where I could not stand alone. Make my heart steadfast, make my ways pure and true. I will trust in you, Lord, I will return to you. Teach me to walk in holy fear. Teach me to love with courage here. I cannot mend this home alone, so I bring all I am to your throne. For my wife and children, hear my cry. Have mercy, God, do not pass by. Make me gentle, faithful, kind. Write your will upon my mind. You are my rescue, Lord, my shelter and my song. You pulled me from the deep where I could not stand alone. Make my heart steadfast, make my ways pure and true. I will trust in you, Lord, I will return to you. Yeah, you want a heart that will obey, so here I am, Lord, make my way. Put a new song in this house again, let your peace come in. Put a new song in this house again. Let your mercy rise above my sin. Put a new song in this house again. Lord, begin in me. You are our rescue, Lord, the healer of this home. You lift